Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to check used usernames on Instagram. So I'm currently here on my phone, and the first thing that we need to do, of course, is head over to our Instagram app by clicking on the Instagram app on our home screen. Come on, click it! Click it! Click, 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 click. Alright, finally he clicked. And now we're currently here on our Instagram app. It's gonna see some random buttons, but all we need to do is click on the bottom right button, which is your profile, which will automatically bring you to your profile page. The next thing that you need to do now is click on the triple line to the top right corner of your screen. Please click on it. Okay, thank you. And now head over to settings by clicking on the settings button, gear, and the next is head over to about. Did I just call that about? Click on about. Please click on it, thank you. Alright, now what you need to do is click on about your account, of course, because we want to know about the former usernames that this account used, and you need to click on about your account, of course. Alright, here we are, and now we see when the date joined with is and our former usernames. Click on it, and you should be able to see your former usernames or how many times you've used your usernames, how many usernames you've used in your the lifetime of this account. That's it. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.